Hi there, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen and I am here to inspire you on your creative journey wherever you are. And don't forget that wherever you are, that's exactly where you are supposed to be. Today I have a video for you that is from the archives. It's a favorite, it's a popular one, so I thought, why not? For the summer, let's bring it back. Here it is, have fun. Do you feel like drawing buildings is a huge challenge? Where to start and not getting caught up into the details are the biggest challenges to overcome. Recently on Draw Tip Tuesdays we've been using the continuous line technique to draw small items, shoes and an interior. Let's take this technique out on location and make good use of it. For this video I found a photo of a building here in Amsterdam, and if you want you can practice this technique using photos. It'll be more fun though to draw on location. When you're right-handed, start at the left-hand side so you don't smudge your lines. Once you start drawing, do not lift your pen off the page. You're drawing in one continual line. Then, with your eyes, follow the outline of the building you're drawing and let your pen follow. Do this slowly. Take your time so you can see the proportions and find landmarks that you can use as reference points. Landmarks can be edges on the roof, corners in the building, windows, chimneys, doors. They'll be helpful to see where an ornament sits or how tall or wide certain elements of the building are. Surrounding greens, like trees, can also be part of your contour drawing. Don't worry about accuracy or wonkiness. I assure you, your drawing will be wonky and your lines will be very expressive because of this technique. Make sure to keep looking at the building. You're looking at the building more than you're looking at your paper. Slow down to figure out what you see and what direction you want your pen to move next. Don't think about the end result or about the whole thing. Just follow line after line, looking at shape after shape. Some bits of the building may be trickier than others. Just keep looking and take small steps. Look at the shapes that you see and draw them. So instead of worrying about certain bits in perspective, find the angle of the outlines and follow these. By drawing those verticals, you'll see that you are already drawing in perspective. You can add some details if you like, but don't overdo it. This is a fantastic technique to work quite quickly. You could add a splash of watercolor, write down some thoughts or specifics about the drawing, and you've filled another sketchbook page with a fun drawing. I hope you liked this and that you feel inspired, and if you like my Draw Tip Tuesday videos, that's fantastic. First of all, please subscribe to my channel here on YouTube so that more people get to see them. They are free, and also you will never miss out on any of the Draw Tip Tuesday videos that I publish. And if you like me to keep publishing these Draw Tip Tuesday videos consistently, then you can support me on Patreon. I have been doing these Draw Tip Tuesday videos since 2013 and I've always done them for free, and I want to keep it that way because I want these to be accessible to anyone who is interested in doing art and who wants to learn a little bit about drawing and about creativity. But it takes time to make them, and it takes energy, and well, anyway, if you like them and you want to support me in any way, then you can actually support me on Patreon. I just started my page and I love that way through Patreon I can gather my crowd, you know, and I have my own fans and supporters right where I can see them and where I can send custom messages to you. So head on over to Patreon. I will add the link in the notes below, and I hope to see you there. If not, I'll see you on a next Draw Tip Tuesday video anyway. Thank you, bye!